Before you begin, have your equipment ready, such as a microwave-safe plate, tea towels, oven mitts, knife, fork, and chopping board. To make things easier, we've put coloured stickers on the buttons that we use the most. You could also use these textured stickers to help find the buttons. Before using a plate in the microwave, check underneath to see if it says this plate is microwave safe. Do not use bowls, plates, or cups with decorated metal edging or paint. Do not use or cover your food with aluminium foil. Do not use foil trays. And do not use bowls, plates, or cups that are made of enamel or any type of metal. Before using the microwave, you can choose to cover your food with Glad wrap or not. Open the microwave door and place your food in. When it is flat inside the microwave, you can close the door. Choose the desired amount of time you wish to cook your food. For this meal, we need 2 minutes, so we press the yellow 1 minute button twice. Have your chopping board ready on the bench to put your hot plate on once it's finished in the microwave. As the microwave counts down to 0, you will hear a beeping sound when it has finished, similar to this. Now, open the door. Before you touch the plate, get your oven mitts or a tea towel and cover your hands. The plate at this time may be hot. Take out your food. Place the hot plate of food onto the chopping board. If your food is covered with Glad wrap, slowly take the cover off from the side that is away from your body so that the steam does not burn you. You know your food is cooked if there is steam coming all the way through the center. Carefully cut the food open with a knife, and if steam comes out from the middle, it's ready to eat. If your food needs more time, get your oven mitts or tea towel and again cover your hands. Pick up the food and place it back in the microwave. Set the timer to 30 seconds. To do this, press the white 3, the blue 0, and the green start button. Once again, check to see if steam is coming out from the middle of your food. If so, it's done. Enjoy.